Hey guys, it's Jordan. I made another new look. It's a smoky eye look, very sexy, very beautiful, and if you're interested in this look and learning how to do it and tips and tricks, please keep watching. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Jordan and I'm going to be doing another really bomb look today. Today I wanted to try to do a smoky look. And it's got like some gray and glitters and different things like that, and we'll just play around with the look. So I'll be showing you guys everything I'm going to be doing from start to finish. I already have my brows on a little bit because I went out in public today and I didn't want my brows like not on, and I did put a little bit of mascara on just because yeah. So anyway, I got this new sample one size by Starr. It is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. So I'm gonna be trying that for you guys, and we'll just try it out together and see how it goes. And of course, I already did my skincare. Most important thing, SPF. I already did the SPF, so that's done. Juvia's Place Concealer as my foundation. I've done it before. It works really, really good, and like it just color matches me perfectly. Stays on really nice. Goes on really, really creamy. So I'm going to try that. And this color is in 19. But I think it's Cairo, I think is what the color is, because I went through the whole thing of color matching. So yeah, I think that's the color. Pretty sure. But yeah, a little bit of theirs concealer goes such a long way. And I have a different concealer for my eyes, that's why I didn't put it on, but I wanted to use this for my face. Was the KKW Conceal in number 4. It looks really good. I've always liked KKW products. Like, they're just really, really good. They don't have any scent. They're just like, kind of just like really natural, natural colors, more natural finishes, just all together. I like the aesthetic of the brand. But that little bit just pretty much covered up like everything. It just covers so well. So mama likes. Is because one of the things I'm going to be using today is glitter for this look, just a little bit, but it's just kind of like in the crease, and I want to make sure it sticks pretty well. I have the KKW in number 2, the Bake Powder. I always love this stuff. So we're going to just put a little bit around our eyes with that same beauty blender. For our contouring, we're going to use the Becca Khloe Malika contour. I absolutely love this palette, and I got this one. It's like lighter colors. Yeah, it's the BFF's Bronze Blush and Glow. soft lines down the center like this. Barely Legal blush. It's just like this really like pretty natural peach color, and it matches tone. So I'll use this KKW brush with it. I like this end here, this fluffy end. Seems to work pretty good for blush. I mean, there's no rules. You work with what brushes work best with you. I'll use brushes for whatever I want. Doesn't matter what it says it's for all the time, because if I find something else that works good for, I'm gonna use that. Called the 39L Hit the Lights. And let's get this bad boy. One of my favorite influencers actually helped collab on this, Tweely. I love her. I watch her all the time. She's the one that really got me started into just really being interested in any of this filming YouTube makeup tutorials, because I just think they're so much fun. In the crease a while and kind of just like smoke it out. This one seemed like a good one to start doing that with. I'm just gonna use this concealer and then this little brush here, the smudge brush by Sephora. And just gonna do a little bit just to like really make the silver pop. So I'm just gonna go in with this Clinique brush. It's got two different sides. I'm gonna do the probably this fluffier side, or I might use this side. It all depends. I might just use this one that I had the black on, the first one that I went in with, and just kind of like blend a little bit in, so it kind of like ombres into each other. Hard times like figuring out how I'm gonna do it, but just take some time. All right, I think I'm gonna use this like sparkly black, which is also on Tweely's side, and just kind of do the bottom. That tape is like a lifesaver. Glitter Pot by a girl named RosyCheekzz. She is on IG literally as IG RosyCheekzz, and she has her own glitter store. She literally has the most beautiful glitters and such good prices. She's just a small brand, but boy, is she a Hollywood star in the making. She's really, really good. She's got some really cute palettes too. So I'm actually going to work on getting my next purchase from her ASAP. All right, so I'm gonna use this Lit It's like a glitter glue type thing, and that's gonna help me just be able to put the glitter on easier, and it's gonna stick. And this stuff, yeah, it'll most definitely stick, trust me. This stuff like dries so good. Look at that beautiful glitter. Guys, I'm telling you, you don't even have to go to big brands. You can just go to small ones and find like the perfect glitter ever. And such high quality. Some of the best quality. Just gotta give these little guys, like the little guys, a chance so they can get out there and become big guys. They deserve it. We can take this off now. I think we're pretty much done. Look at those clean lines. Glamnetics with the liner. Their stuff is so good. It's lashes. They're so good, literally. Look at those. So beautiful. So like dramatic and yet not too dramatic. And literally all I have to do is just go like this and just place them on. Well, I'm gonna use this Patrick Ta brow wax. It's so good. I know I say that about everything, but I mean, I wouldn't own it if it wasn't good. Brow powder, and that's by Benefit, and just kind of do like little hair-like strokes. I love Pentagraph. Her stuff is so good. And I just do it like up here, like where you would smile, where it's kind of like obvious ones. I don't use those too often. I do some at like my nose, some above here, your lip. It just kind of makes them look a little bigger, and it also looks just nice in general. But yeah, you can really see that blinding highlight that way. Color here, it's like the perfect highlighter color. Sorry, I have some stuff on my finger. Giving the middle finger now. No, I'm not. Okay, so we are going to go in with that just in like the inner crease. got is this one here. This is just a very natural Dior. It's called the Lip Glow, Dior Addict Lip Glow. I always get these and I put them in my purse. I really love them, but I figured because we were doing something so dramatic up top, we were just gonna keep it a little more simple at the bottom. And these are so wonderful. They're just like lip balms, but they're nice to just touch up your lip color throughout the day. And they also feel like chapstick, which is amazing, but they stay on way better than chapstick. So, yeah. And this color is in Ultra Pink. So, it works really, really good. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I think it's so good. And so I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll show you guys the exact look when my hair is all done and everything is all complete. Be right back. Okay you guys, one look down, another look complete. My hair is doing its own thing, but I've got my makeup on point. It looks so good. You can really see the highlight now. It looks so nice. So this is how you do this smoky eye. I just absolutely love it. And it's great to see everyone watching and enjoying my videos. Give me suggestions and please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what looks you want to see, anything particular or anything that you want to see, let me know. And thank you for watching and giving me your time, and I will be back another day. Thank you.